Welcome back, friends. We have seen the ER diagram for the banking enterprise, and also we have seen the schema diagram for banking enterprise. Next is query languages. Query language, the language in which user requests information from the database, or by using query language user can access the information data stored in the database. The categories of languages, there are two types of or two categories of languages: procedural and non procedural. Procedural language tells you what to do and how to do. It's a simple language. So procedural language tells you what to do and how to do. As comparatively, non-procedural language will tell you what to do, but not specify how to do it. So this is the difference between these two. Non-procedural language is belonging to the functional part, and procedural is a simple. Procedural language tells you what to do and how to do it. But non-procedural language will tell you only what to do. It will not specify how to do it. Again, if we see, query languages are again pure languages, and those are relational algebra, tuple relational calculus, and domain relational calculus. Pure languages form underlying basis of query languages that people use. So people are using query languages. Below that, there is a language which lies or which is base, and that is called as a pure language. And these are relational algebra, tuple relational calculus, and domain relational calculus. So relational algebra. Relational algebra includes fundamental operations, and those are unary operations and binary operations. Unary operations include select, project, and rename, whereas binary operations include union, set difference or set different, and Cartesian product. Unary operation means it is performed on single relation. That's why these are called as unary operations. Relational algebra unary operations include select operation, project operation, and rename operation. Binary operations are binary operations include union of two relations, set difference of two relations, and Cartesian product of two relations. There are different symbols which are used as a relational algebra, unary, and binary operations. Row is used as a symbol for selection operation. Example, row salary greater than equal to 85,000 in bracket instructor. This returns rows of input relation instructor that satisfy the predicate, that is salary greater than 85,000. So it will select all records from instructor relation whose salary is greater than or equal to 85,000.